Hello, everybody. It's your favorite content creator, Brennan here, to show you the. I got this at a thrift store yesterday. It's the Palm portable keyboard M103 uh, 8 series. The 7th. Sorry, I forget my Roman numerals. It says right here, folds into its own small, compact case with desktop size keys. And on the back right here, you can see it is in fact a portable keyboard, full size, yet folds down to fit in your pocket. When in use, the Palm portable keyboard is the same size as a full-featured desktop keyboard, yet it folds down into its own compact case, just slightly larger than your handheld. Simply install the Palm portable keyboard software, slide your handheld into the keyboard's built-in docking station, and start typing. So what I didn't realize when I bought this is that this was made for a PDA, so specifically the Palm PDA, and I didn't realize that because I didn't read on the back of the box enough. I didn't read enough of the box to realize that it was a PDA. So we're basically just going to be reviewing a keyboard that folds up and serves no other purpose. You can't even type with it because I don't have the PDA. But yeah, standard Palm functions at your fingertips. The Palm portable keyboard features keys for standard Palm functions, including date book, address book, to-do list, memo pad, shortcuts, and more. So, yeah, any IBM WorkPad PC companion? No batteries. That's everything you need to know about that. And I can finally get to slicing it. Give me a moment. Okay, now it's time to slice the box. I have to do it one-handed because I'm using the other hand to hold the camera right now. So we have to be very, very careful not to do something bad. I don't think we're going to do anything bad, though. I think this will be just fun. Look at how mint condition it is. It's not mint anymore. I just destroyed its value. So this is the portable keyboard. So I think, okay, it opens up like this, and it has the manual, and it has the keyboard. And I don't think does it come with anything else? I don't think so. So, well, here we have our lovely little keyboard. Let's take a peek inside this manual, shall we? Sorry, I want to use two hands for this because I don't want to damage the book, so I can't really show myself slicing. You know, that sweet ASMR slicing action. Like I can't. It's really hard to get it in there. There we go. Alright, so here's the handbook. It comes with the software. We have Palm portable keyboard, CD-ROM contents. Actually, I don't know. Would we be able to use this on the computer? I have no clue, honestly. My camera's like the wrong way. Sorry. So, yeah, this is for the Palm portable keyboard. And, why don't we go over to frequently asked questions? How about that? Maybe they'll have some input. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Well, that's enough of that. Why don't we take a look-see at this, at the device itself. The coveted Palm portable keyboard. So it comes in this nice little case. If I can get it out. It comes in this nice little case that is a weird texture. Feels very thin. I don't know how to describe it. And anyway, we're gonna unzip. Oh, there it is. So now, for the moment of truth, there's like a little like switch right here. It's very very old looking. This is very clean because it's never been opened before. I can't imagine why the previous owner of the Palm portable keyboard would not have ever opened the sealed box. It's just crazy to me. Oh wow. Wow, this thing is kind of insane. This is honestly like cool. Oh, those keys do not feel good though. Those are very gummy feeling keys. But that is really cool actually. I do wish this worked with a computer because that'd be pretty freaking awesome. But alas, I have been very stupid and did not judge the device adequately. But yeah, you can roleplay with it, pretend you're using a keyboard on your computer. But I probably shouldn't like slam on it even for comedic effect because I actually don't want to damage it. Because this is a piece of history. It was made in 2000. Sorry. Yeah, it was made in 2000, and it's a portable keyboard. It folds up. It comes with this little carrying case. It feels. Can you like? I don't like the texture of this, but it does work. You can fold it up. You can put it back. It works just as advertised. You could. If you were to make this work with a computer, I could play my cool games on it, but I wish, I really wish, but I can't. So, too bad, so sad. I hope you enjoyed this review. I think the Palm Portable Keyboard is a pretty good device. If I had a Palm Portable PDA, I would probably maybe use it sometimes if I needed it. I don't think I need it today, because I don't think I'd need a PDA today, but you know, it does the job. So yeah.
Ha! I bet you thought it was over, didn't you? It's not over, cause I wanted to see what's on the CD-ROM that came with the Palm portable keyboard. So we're gonna see. I need to get it out of here. Yeah. It's in pristine condition. It's really nice. It's a CD from 2000. It's old. It's a CD. And it's round. And I put it inside the CD-ROM drive. And we're going to watch and see what happens. Oh. Don't mind all this. So this is a thing. It did say that it came with Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I guess that's what we're getting. Alright. Nice. Is I think that's like it. Well, is it on the? Hold on. Adobe. There it is. So this is old Adobe Acrobat Reader, 1999. I don't even know if I can like use it, but cool novelty, I guess. Well, I guess that's all the Palm portable keyboard has to offer. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe. I don't know even know if I'm gonna upload this to YouTube or not. I might have to. I don't know. But if you enjoyed it, I that's good. Good for you.